So today we are finally going to make a new mantle for our fireplace. So this is the mantle that we currently have up here. We did absolutely nothing to it but throw it up there. This was just a post that we had left over from some construction stuff we were doing on the house. It's walnut wood. It is really pretty, but we wanted our mantle to be bigger. We wanted it to overhang these corbels and stick out further. Plus you can see where we were cutting it up. It's got a blade mark there. So anyway, this is our current mantle. We're going to take this one down and we're going to go outside and we're going to cut down a walnut tree, mill it up on the mill, and make the mantle that we want, and then put it back up today. It's really thick over here, but he's heading back there to the tree. The boys have plenty to climb on and play with. Outside in the woods, they're content. So now we are going to cut down a tree.
I think the best way to drop this is that way, because there's a field right there we can get our tractor in if we have to pull it out with the tractor.
Oh, that's a good idea.
We're going to try to use the quad, but I can even back my quad up darn near, you know, down into this holler, so.
And this is a black walnut tree?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a walnut there, walnut here. There's another walnut leaning right there, which we could probably use, but
it's not as straight. Use this one.
I'm gonna get this bigger one to make sure we can get the right size mantle.
Okay.
And then the rest of this we're gonna cut up into boards, either use it to build some furniture or sell it.
Oh, it's definitely black walnut. Good job. Look at how beautiful it is. Really pretty, really pretty, really pretty lumber. It's very wet. Nice. We are over here outside. James is getting the sawmill set up behind me. Because of where we live in Kentucky, the ground freezes and thaws here this time of year, so he has to re-level it every time we use it. He just got done leveling it. It's on the sawmill. We use the good old John Deere tractor to load it up. And we are getting ready to make the mantle.
I'm hoping those corbels on the mantle hold this up. They're anchored in with pretty good sized screws, but then they also got type S mortar behind it. So hopefully, but this is going to be heavy.
Okay, let's do it. Looking good so far. This is going to be some beautiful wood. Look at that green. Look at those colors. Let's do it. So here it is so far. We might cut it down a little bit smaller. What are the dimensions right now? 7 by 9?
About 7 by 9.
Okay. But it looks really nice. Isaac's talking.
Okay, we got the beam cut on the mill. This is made out of black walnut. It's got a darker complexion to it. It's real nice, especially once this to start to dry out a little bit. Put a clear coat on this. This will really darken up. Looks real good. The mill was just slightly out of square, so I may run this through my planer, but it doesn't look too bad. This needs to be cut down too. It's a super heavy log, so hopefully my corbels hold. But this is for our mantle above the fireplace.
Okay, now it's cut down to size. It is 72 inches long. Oh my goodness, this thing is so heavy. We just had to carry it in here. It's pretty much the same weight as if this were to be concrete. It's so heavy.
Okay, set it on that table very easily.
I put up to you. Oh my gosh, I just died. But look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. Woo!
We gotta go another inch that way.
I just fell down. Isaac. What's next?
Well, I gotta paint the ends. I got a type of wax coat that I'm gonna put on the end.
That keeps it from splitting as it dries. And it's gonna dry fast
I
because
already see a split occurring.
it's above that. Where?
Right
Oh,
there, so that
yeah.
might end up ruining it. But
I'd be fine with that. It'll just be a natural look if it gets a split in it. Man, once we get some tongue oil on this, oh, it's gonna be a beaut. It's a beaut, Clark. And this is the stuff that we use on all of our lumber on the ends. It looks white when you put it on, but it does dry clear. It just makes it kind of look like there's a coat of polyurethane on it once it's dried. Okay, just got that wax coating on the ends, and then all we did was just wipe this down with a rag, and look at how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Once this is completely dry and that tongue oil gets on it, oh my gosh, it's gonna be gorgeous. It's so pretty. The wood grain in it, especially on this side, all of this. Oh gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna get it redecorated here.